What happens to your body when you don't eat meat for a week? Going without meat for a week can lead to several changes in your body, depending on your usual diet and nutritional intake. Here are some potential effects. 1. Energy levels. If you replace meat with other sources of protein, like beans, lentils, tofu, or nuts, you might maintain your energy levels. However, if you don't replace the protein, you may feel more fatigued. 2. Digestive changes. Many meat-free diets are higher in fiber due to increased consumption of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This can improve digestion and regularity, but some might experience gas or bloating initially as your gut adjusts. Third, nutrient intake. You might see an increase in vitamins and minerals, such as fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. However, you should be mindful of potential deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are often found in meat. Weight changes. If your meatless meals are lower in calories, you might experience weight loss. Conversely, if you substitute meat with high-calorie foods, you might not see any change. 5. Mood and mental clarity. Some people report feeling more energetic and focused when they eliminate meat, while others may miss the comfort of familiar foods. 6. Taste preferences. You might begin to develop a taste for new flavors and cooking styles, which can lead to more diverse meals. Overall, a week without meat can be a healthy change if you plan your meals wisely to ensure you're getting balanced nutrition.